Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle if you're new here, and the channel's name is Glamour Has No Age. Today, I have Laura Geller makeup. I have Baked Balance and Brighten in Light. It looks like this. It's a powder foundation. I'm all moisturized. So you can either use a flat brush like this to do an all over, it gives you light to medium coverage. So light coverage would be a fluffy brush. This is a flat brush. So I'm going to see what kind of coverage it should give me medium. I'm not sure that this color is going to be good for me, but this makeup is made in Italy. So we'll see. It's very powdery. Yeah, it's too warm for me. I think I got the makeup off of BoxyCharm. You want to make sure you're really moisturized. This is a quick out the door. On her website, she was having a sale. The next sales for makeup is going to be September. Not Memorial. Is it Memorial Day? I think no. I forget. September, the holiday in the US we all have off. Sales usually run on holidays. I can still see my freckles through this. This is marketed towards our age, 40s and above. Well, I'm in my 50s, but you know what I mean. But that's who she targets her marketing for. If you have a lot to cover on your skin, this is not for you. Like I said, this is a light to medium coverage. It does just enough. All right. I have her bronzer. Let me make sure I can find it. It's right here. It's a mini. It comes with like a little mirror on the end. This is bronze in brighten in medium. Comes like that. And it has a little sponge on the end. I'm not gonna use that. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush instead. Yeah, I don't recommend using that pad. Medium is too dark for me. Yeah, medium's too dark for me. I'm gonna take a clean brush and yeah, medium's too dark. Then I should have had light, but that's all they had on Ipsy, so. So then I have her blushes. I have Pink Buttercream, which looks like that. They're made in Italy as well. I have Ethereal Rose. Looks like that. Pink Grapefruit, which looks like that. I have Coral Cove, which looks like that. And I have Sunswept, which looks like that. I'm going to use Pink Grapefruit. Which looks like that. And I also have her highlighter if you're interested. French Vanilla. It's not her Swell Gelato ones. It looks like that. And it's not overly blingy. It just leaves a little bit. It's not glitter, it just leaves a little bit of sheen. Use a Now, I have eye palettes that I got from her from Ipsy, but I checked her website and you can't get them. So I'm assuming these are things that she does for Ipsy, you know. But I have this palette in the casual collection. It's the multi-finish. They're not blingy at all. They look like that. This is made in China. I don't want to say this because I'm going to sound like a jerk, but I think you can get LA Girl eyeshadows if you're looking for LA Girl eyeshadows. They're just as good as these. If they were made in Italy, I'd be like, oh no, but it's made in China. So, not that things made in China aren't good, but I'm just saying for the price point, I'm not sure how much these cost. So, I'll try to do a search on Google to see if I can figure out if these were even on her website. But, alright. Well, that's it. That's my video. I hope it helped you. And I'll see you in my next video.